Now in this question, the coordinates of the three vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, 7, 2 and 1, 10 are given. Then the radius of the incircle of the triangle is the question. Now we'll try to roughly plot this. So this is going to be a 1, 2 and this will be a 7, 2 and this will be a 1, 10. So horizontal displacement of how much? 6 units. A vertical displacement of 8 units. So clearly this is what type of triangle? A right angle triangle, because it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So this will be what? Eventually this will become 8 square plus 6 square the whole root, which is going to be square root of 100. So this is going to be a 10. Okay. Then the radius of incircle of a right angle triangle, it is going to be what? Now in radius, by formula we have in radius is equal to area of the triangle by semi perimeter, that is half of the perimeter. So for a right angle triangle, what is area? Half into base is 6, height is 8, divide by semi perimeter, half of the perimeter, that means 8 plus 6 plus 10, the whole divide by 2. So this is going to be a 48 divided by a 24. So in radius is going to be 2 units. So that will be the answer for this question.